guys, it's me, Amina. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're a new viewer. Today we are at Enoshima, Japan, and we will be taking a look at the city, going to shrines, eating delicious food, and admiring the ocean views. So let's begin with this video. Enoshima, Japan is known for its view and delicious food. It's currently 12:30 p.m. and we are eating lunch near the shore view. For lunch, we have hot potatoes with sauce. It's so good, but be careful because there are many hawks eyeing the food. Enoshima is a small offshore island in Japan. Many tourists come here for the shrines, view, and food. Several shrine buildings, collectively known as Enoshima Shrine, are found on the island, and right now we are in Enoshima Shrine. We are in the street that is a few meters away from the shrine. This street in Enoshima is packed with souvenirs and food that you need to try. Let's now take a look at the souvenir shops and more in this street. Now we have finished walking around the street and we are starting to go inside Enoshima Shrine. Enoshima Shrine is a Shinto shrine in Enoshima, Kanagawa, Japan. Enoshima Shrine is a high-status shrine ranked as one of Japan's 3 great Benzaten shrines. Now that we have passed a long flight of stairs, we are now looking at the main shrine called Hetsunomiya. Now let's just walk around the Enoshima Shrine and see what it has to offer. Now we have finished taking a look at the Enoshima shrines. We are now next to the sea candle observation deck admiring the view. But in a few minutes or so, we will be going to the Iowa Cave here in Enoshima. The cave itself is closed due to the pandemic, but the ocean view outside of the cave is spectacular, so we will be taking a look at that. In Enoshima, there are so many streets that have so much to offer. We even got this dried octopus chips, and surprisingly, they taste really good. Before we get to the ocean view outside of the cave, we need to get through the street with souvenir shops and gorgeous views. It will take us around 10 minutes to get there, so enjoy. We have arrived at the beautiful ocean view. The waves here are pretty strong, so be careful. This spot is perfect for photos, especially when the sun sets down. But before you get down near the ocean, you can walk past this red bridge. And yet again, we have got ourselves another mochi snack after we have finished looking at the sunset down near the ocean view. Now that we have completely finished exploring Enoshima Shrine, we are starting to head back, but before we do, let's look at the city night. That is the end of our video today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the post notifications on to be notified every time I post a new video. Also, check out my YouTube channel to see more videos like these. Have a nice day and bye!